Hey there, Mr. Chu here. Let's talk about some SAT problems. So I've got two problems, 20 and 21 here, and we will go ahead and we'll discuss them and explain them in detail. So if you have been watching any of my other videos, you already know that the College Board has released these videos. You saw my cat Trey just walked by. These are released for review for the SAT test, but they also could be used in reviewing for the ACT or for the ASVAB. Some problems will be easy for you, some will be hard. Today's two are not that hard. Here comes Trey again. There he went. Most SAT math problems are going to require background information in algebra, geometry, number sense, or some other concept that you were dealing with. You can see Trey over here in the background. So he's being a very photogenic cat now. That's who I named my arithmetic curriculum after. And so he wanted to come and visit. So make sure you like this video if it's helpful to you and it helps you prepare for this very important test. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok and Instagram. I'm on Facebook, and there's lots of my puppy videos on there, and I'm also on X with all of these videos. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's the long link. You can email me any math questions at askmrchu@gmail.com. I will reply to your email, and if it is a complicated reply, I'll make a new video for you and let you know when it's coming up. So I look forward to helping you. Now let's talk about these two problems. Problems 20 and 21. So number 20 has a frequency table here, and this frequency table shows data values and the frequency. It says it summarizes 57 data values in a data set. What's the maximum data value in the data set? 21, a circle in the XY plane has a diameter of the endpoints 2, 4, and 2, 14. And those are coordinates on a coordinate plane. So you could graph those if you wanted or needed to. An equation of the circle, x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 9 quantity squared equals r squared, would be the standard form of that particular circle. And it's asking you, r is going to be a positive constant. Find r, or the radius. So you can pause now, work these on a separate piece of paper, and then start it up, and I will explain it to you in detail. So number 20 is an easy problem if you understand what a frequency table is and what those numbers mean. So look at the table. It's saying, what's the maximum data value in the data set? Well, here are the data values. Here are the frequencies, which means how often that data member appears. So it's asking you for the maximum data value in the table set. So all you're doing is finding the biggest number here. Well, what is the biggest number? Well, the biggest number happens to be 14. That was pretty simple, but it's just a matter of understanding what that meant. So 14 is the largest data value in that data value chart. All right, so now let's go on to number 21. So in number 21, you got that circle, and all you really have to do is it tells you the endpoints of the diameter, so let's find how long the diameter is. Well, you can find how long, or the distance between 2 points, by using the distance formula. And the distance formula, which would be in the formula sheet that will be given to you before the SAT. So that distance formula is the square root of the quantity x2 minus x1 squared plus the quantity y2 minus y1 squared. So in this case, you have to decide what is x1 and what is y1. And the way I teach this, I always say, let's just call this first point x1, y1. And let's call the second point x2, y2. And all you're going to do is substitute the values for x and y and solve this. So calculator would be very helpful. In this case, you don't even really need the calculator as long as you understand that you're taking this equation right here, or you're taking these 2 points, sorry, x1, y1, x2, y1, and plugging them into the distance formula. Now, I watched a video on someone trying to explain this, and I did not like the way that he had explained it. That's why I'm doing it in an alternate way. He graphed it. So you could graph these 2 points, draw the circle, and then figure it out. But it's just as easy to use the distance formula. And that actually uses a lot of algebra with this geometry question. So I'm going to take my 2 here, minus 2. And then I'm going to take my 4 minus 14, or you could have done 14 minus 4. It doesn't really matter. So 2 minus 2 is 0 squared plus, this is negative 10 squared. If you'd have taken the 14 minus 4, if you'd have flipped the x1, y1 around, it would have just been 10 squared. That's just going to be 100 anyway. 0 squared is 0. Negative 10 squared is 100. You add those together, you get the square root of 100, which happens to be 10. Well, if the diameter is 10, the question asks you what the radius is. So you take the diameter, divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 is the radius. So let's go ahead and let's finish this thing off. There are a total of 27 problems in Module 1. In this particular module, there's a link with the playlist for all the Module 1s. It's 12 short videos, and then I will post one longer video once I have finished all 12 of these. I'll put them together. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and X. I've got helpful math videos on all those. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's my long YouTube link. Continue to send your math questions to my askmrchew@gmail.com email address, where I will answer any math question you've got with either a reply to your email, or I will make a video and let you know when it's going to be posted. Help me spread the word. Mr. Chew wants to help students with math questions. I want to use videos. I want to use my curriculum for my bare algebra. I want to use curriculum for my bracket geometry. I want to use curriculum for my tray arithmetic and pre-algebra. I taught for 24 years, and now I am making videos for you. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can find my videos easily, and I look forward to helping you in geometry, algebra, arithmetic, pre-algebra, and to prepare for the SAT. Mr. Chew, see you next time.